I'm here with Chris Baker, Vice President of Sales and Business Development at Carton, looking at their new applications and new processes and developments in the technology. So, Chris, how's it going? How's it been going since Drupal?
It's really going tremendously well. As you know, more than 1 year ago at Drupal we launched the machine. Since then there's been tremendous quality improvements in the machine, as you can probably see. But more importantly, we've actually now got customers. So in a number of countries in Europe we have our first installations, and those companies are now producing work.
Yeah, and having people producing work and actually showing the technology, I guess that's helping spread the word of Carton and the technology and what you can do.
It really is, and this is really important because in the past the die cutting process has not really been viewed as a value-added process. But now turning the process digital makes a huge difference, so that those customers are able to produce work they could never do before, offer products and services to customers they couldn't do. So for example, short run and on-demand packaging, both those customers are now doing that and offering that to their customers. But also they're doing jobs with intricate cutouts that have a much higher value to them and to their customers, and of course to the brand owners.
Yeah. Because personalisation is a big topic, just generally in the packaging and label industry, obviously. And this technology, from your point of view, it kind of fits nicely into that niche.
It's correct. I think the most valuable work they've done so far is jobs where a conventional die just cannot do. So, and that's particularly, creative designs with intricate patterns that really add value to a package and therefore a brand owner's product. These companies with digital finishing are able to do that, and that's really, the attractive part of what's going on.
And there's lots of applications. I mean, as we're here on the HP stand, you're here as a partner. Yes. of them, and I know there's some samples here of an end-to-end workflow and of.
So here's a classic example of a small food product. Here, this has been printed digitally on the HP 30,000 and then finished on the Euclid. And with this product, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got personalization on, so different boxes have different food products on. But also to match those different food products, we have different cutouts, which is really unique. So this is a very attractive type of solution, both for a brand owner and for a converter, but shows a totally digital end-to-end solution.
I think it's the way the market is going, is in terms of having very shorter runs to suit demographics and macroeconomic situations and developments in individual countries, and that kind of product is there.
You're correct, and we know that the consumer is demanding ever more variation, customization, and the brand owners are demanding more creativity, and also they need to produce more SKUs, more variations of one product. So when you can combine digital printing with digital finishing, the converter can have a very powerful solution.
But the Carton is also applicable to conventional printing. It works.
Most certainly, and both the customers, the first two customers have put the machines in, have conventional printing, and one of them has digital printing as well. But as the digital presses go into converters, they'll be able to offer fast turnaround products as well as very customized products as well. So you're right, it's for both conventional and digital output.
And the gains in both market, as you will see, I'm sure at this show, there is explosive growth in the digital press market. From your point of view, I'm guessing you must relish the opportunity that presents, because
it's tremendous. Yeah, to be on the HP stand here, which is a tremendous stand, obviously, and a wonderful first showing of the 30,000. It's a great opportunity for Carton for sure. But we see not just converters looking to develop their digital strategies, but also traditional and digital label producers and commercial printers are now looking at how they can enter into folded cartons. as they look to diversify their product offerings, and those companies will go straight to digital. So they'll add digital presses because they're used to digital presses already, and they'll add digital finishing from the beginning. So it's very exciting, and it's very good to be here.
Yeah. So what does the future hold? Bit of crystal ball gazing. What does the future hold for Icon and the development of it?
Sure. Well, there's three aspects really. One is we've built up gradually in Europe, going to a number of different countries. We're now in 15 different countries. But the next stage is to take the products to supply into other parts of Europe, but also soon we'll move into the USA as well. So that's one aspect. Second aspect is really the quality. So the quality is increasing all the time, which is really important. And finally, it's our customers, because our customers are really the ones that are showing us what can be achieved with this technology, and that's very exciting.
Okay, well, it was great to speak to you, Chris, and
Thank you for taking the time.
hope to speak to you again soon.
Thank you
very much, Chris. Thank you very much.